Hi Flutter developers, in this video we will build a modern attractive profile page UI using Flutter from scratch, clean layout, responsive design and eye-catching styling all in one. Perfect for any social app, e-commerce app or portfolio project. Let's move to the code. Import package material for Flutter, custom reusable tile for profile information that include icon data, string title, string subtitle. This is construct, constructor of the class. ListTile, this is widget leading icon colors dot tail title text title styling subtitle text subtitle tailing icons dot arrow forward underscore iOS size this color colors dot gray profile page screen. We use stack widget to display image top banner background image. This is background image. Main content scrollable. Size box 60. Profile picture icon with edit icon inside a blurred card. Glass morphism card widget with profile image. Mm, Edit icon. After that we use username, email, card section, phone number, location, profile tile, date of month, date of birth, edit profile button, logout button, this is UI of the profile page.